The story of the biggest risk I've ever taken and what you can learn from it. Back towards the end of 2022, going into 2023, I'd been with the same employer for coming up to 3 years. And in all honesty, I'd achieved what I set out to achieve. It was time for me to test myself in new waters, to get out of my comfort zone, and to see whether I would sink or swim. I decided I wanted to travel the world. I wanted to secure employment abroad and test myself in waters unknown to myself. I set my mind on a singular mission. I was either going to travel to New Zealand or I was going to travel to Australia. I would try to secure employment and all will be good and well. It never quite turns out the way you wanted it to. What happened next continues to amaze me to this day. So be sure to stick around to the end of this video, because by the end of this video, you'll know that if you're after outsized gain, you must be willing to take risk. And if you are willing to take that outsized risk, it may just turn out to be the best decision of your life. Going back to 2023, my mission was clear: secure employment in New Zealand or Australia. Going into January, the only thing that I did is send out CVs. Draft and send out CVs. I would contact companies onshore, and that is all I did. The first month went by, no success. The second month went by, no success. Going into the third month, it was very clear to me that due to my relative inexperience and due to me not being onshore, it would be very difficult, if not impossible, for me to secure employment while offshore. The itch was still there, and I was going to go abroad no matter what. And so, in March 2023, I decided applying for more jobs is a futile pursuit, and I would buy myself a one-way ticket to New Zealand to travel and look for employment onshore. This would require me to resign from my current employment, to sell all of my possessions, and to quite literally put all of my eggs in one basket and just go and see for myself whether this is doable. D-Day came, May 2023, and once onshore, the mission was clear. Every single day, all I did was apply for jobs, look for ads, and cold call potential employers. The first month went by, no success. The second month went by, same story, no interest. Going into the third month, I started to become wary. I realized that I'd only saved up enough money to cover myself, living expenses for 3 months without employment. And so D-Day, quite literally, was at my doorstep. That, unfortunately, didn't stop the declinations from coming in. The closer and closer I got to the final day, the closer I got to giving up. In all honesty, I was really close to giving up. In fact, I started looking for jobs elsewhere outside of New Zealand towards the end of my time. Keeping in mind, by this point, I'd applied for more than 100 jobs. I'd sat 2 unsuccessful interviews, and I'd received declination after declination. My hope was dwindling. I couldn't stop my mind from wondering, was all of this just illusion? Did I trick myself into believing that I could do the seemingly impossible? Was I too young? Was I too naive? But as fate would have it, soon enough, after 3 months of looking, 3 months of bad news, I finally secured employment onshore. Little did I know though, that securing employment onshore was the first of many payoffs that would soon follow. I entered into 2024, quite literally a changed man. Not only did I recently secure employment onshore, soon after, I found myself in a position where I was having to lead a team of individuals. Uncomfortability soon snowballed, and that flowed into my personal life too. Now, I'm not going to bore you with all the details. All I'm going to say is today I sit in Sydney, the very destination I originally intended on coming to. I've received promotions, I've ran marathons, I've ran ultra marathons. I'd achieved what I would have never thought possible going back to 2023. When I sat my interview in 2023, I quite literally asked the interviewer just to offer me minimum wage, just to allow me working rights in the country. And now, all of a sudden, I find myself in a position where I genuinely have to pinch myself at what has transpired ever since. This video isn't about me though. This video is about you. Yes, the growth is great. Yes, the promotions are great. And yes, achieving what you previously thought impossible is great. But looking back on all of that, it makes more sense to me now why I achieved all of that growth in such a short amount of time. That growth was achievable due to taking outsized risk. You see, if I was never willing to take that risk, to buy the one-way ticket and to risk defeat and or humiliation, I would have probably still been in the same job, in the same town I grew up in, surrounded by the very same people. Risk in its purest form is leverage. If you are willing to take risk and you are determined enough to see that risk through, you are leveraging powers way beyond our understanding and making it work in your favor. I'm not advising anyone to buy a one-way ticket somewhere and to risk their livelihoods just for the sake of it. What I am saying though is when looking at risk, we like to think of the potential downsides. We like to think, what if this goes wrong? I would like to advise you though that if you reframe risk and see it as leverage and look at the potential upside, rather than asking yourself, yourself, what if this goes wrong? Ask yourself, what if this works out? What if I am determined enough to see this through and make it work out in my favor? I am the living embodiment telling you today that taking that risk then might be the best decision you've ever made in your life. I should say though, when I'm referring to risk, I'm not referring to the reckless type. I'm not advising you to take a blind stab in the dark to see if it works out. If you're going to rely on luck, luck is bound to work against you. See the risk, acknowledge it, acknowledge the potential for failure, and make it your single-minded purpose to make that risk work in your favor. If you approach risk in that way, it might just be the best leverage for your own personal growth and might just take you to places you could never imagine. If you do decide to take action, I'm here and I would love to be part of your journey. The only thing you need to do is to let me know in the comments how I can help you.